Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I am with an Excel file. So as per your requirement, I'll show you how to add the trend lines or maybe baselines, multiple different baselines. I have added three lines, three orange lines and three white lines. So there will be six extra baselines horizontally, which you can always add. Shortly, I'll let you know. But for these six, here are the six. Here are the six lines. Parallel line one, two, three, four, three, four, five, six. So initial five, sorry, initial three are white lines. So any value you will enter in here will get plotted in as white dash, and any values on the right side of the third three, you'll see those get plotted in the orange set. So let me show you how to add these lines if you want to add more. So basically, I have given you these controls here, but these lines are not being plotted from here. These lines will get plotted on the right side of the 150 lines, and here are the extra lines. So there, what you can do, you can always stretch these to maybe another four you want to add. So this will become this, and you can stretch this formula as well. So this will get referred to. Let me add maybe 20 so that you can add the bottom line, the bottom range of the cell need to plot. Okay, so now I'll get back to here, and you can stretch this or maybe all of the another four. So this will be okay. Yeah, that's fine. We'll see those values get plotted in here automatically. So we have plotted till GW. Now we'll add GX, GY, GZ, and HA as the new baselines. So if you will right click on the chart and go to the select data, you will see so many lines already selected. So we have six here. You can click on add, click on series name, go to the next series name, which is parallel line 7. Click on this, and you can delete it and start selecting the values from here to 88. Let me drag it down to 88. Sorry. You can select it like, click on this one, press Control Shift and down, and OK. So you have successfully added line 7. But as you are adding more lines, you have to format those accordingly, whether you want to have those as white or red or orange. Let me add another line quickly. For that, you can do it like, you can click on edit, select the range, the previous range you just gave, and make it copy. Click on add, select line number 8, select the ranges, paste the reference you just copied. Instead of W, this will become, sorry, instead of X, this will become Y. So you can manually change it to Y and press OK. Sorry, it should be line 8. Yep, it is. Okay, and then add another one. Click on line 9, paste the reference, and change this X to Z. Add another line, click on HA, select the line, select the reference, change, paste the reference which you just copied, and change it to HA and GX2. Again HA and click OK. Click OK. Now if you will come in here, you will see more lines added, but those won't be plotted in here. What you need to do, you have to right click on the chart again, maybe double click on the chart. You will see so many options in here. Click on this plot area option, scroll down to bottom. Here you will see line 7, 8, 9, and 10. So you need to make, I'll show you one, and you can, if you want to add more, you can add more. For parallel lines, you need to click on this, and we need a solid line. No, we don't need a solid line. Whether you want a white line or an orange, select the color from here, select the dashes. I'll select the large dashes, long dashes, and I'll keep it 1.25 to match the formatting of the other line as well. Okay, now I'll go back to the data levels of line 7. Click on this. Click here. You want to see the values or you just want to see the category name. I want to see the values, but we don't want to see the line leader. That's it. Okay, so now I'll change the values because I think we can see there are. Let me change maybe for another one. Double click on the chart. Click on the plot area plot area. Go to line number 8. Solid. Maybe you want this one. I think I should kept that one orange. Okay, let's make it orange. You can change the colors always. Make it orange. Solid line. Make it 1.25. Select the long dashes, and that's it. So I have changed 7 and 8. That data label. We don't need any lines on that, and we want to see only the values. Go to 9, line 9, solid line, maybe white again, 1.25, long dashes, click OK, click, go to data labels, click on this, remove the show line header, the last line, maybe again we want to have another orange, click on orange, long dashes 1.25, go to the data labels of line 10, click on it, remove the ledgers, and that's it. Now, in order to plot the lines, we need to change the values in here so that we can see the plot. So here I'll randomly give it maybe 0.55. You can see a white line in here. 0.4 is already there. 0.3. Let me plot it from. Okay, so I'll stretch it out here, and here you can see all the lines are here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 lines are here, and you can always change the colors of the lines. So if you want to make the first 5 white lines and next 5 orange, you can always do that. How? Let me show you quickly here. Double click on the chart, go to the first line. This is red, white, I know. 1, 2, 3 are already white. If you want to make the line 4 white, you can just come here and click on this. That's it. Then go to the line number 5 again, make it white. Go to line number 6, orange already. Line number 7, let's make it orange again. Line number 8, orange already. Line number 9, orange. Line number 10, orange already. So now you have 5 orange lines and 5 white lines, right? So what I can do, I can show it like this. So these white headers are white lines and orange text is the orange line. So if you want to plot a line, maybe 0.55 above and another minus 0.55, you can just enter in here and you will see both the lines in here. Similarly, if you want to have another control like 0.8 maybe on the positive and same lines you want to see at the bottom range minus 0.8. So here you can see the orange and white line so that you can see this is the upper part, so it's white. This is the lower part, so this is orange. So hope now you know how to add the lines and how to change the line settings and how to enter and plot the lines in the control cell. So that's it from my side. Please let me know if you need any further assistance. Thank you. Take care. Bye.